Welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing a brick wall and a breakthrough effect. Subscribe to my channel if you like my videos so you get the new videos as soon as they come out. I have black and white as opaque and a light brown as a transparent color, and I'm laying down a light white layer over this so that you get a gray tone. And now I'm doing little drops and spots. I'm squeezing the air hose and then I'm just pushing the trigger, and you can also move it. So what happens is that the needle goes through the nose and it takes a little bit of color on the tip, and with this really low pressure it's not a fine dust or mist that comes out, but just the little drops. And the nice thing is that you can do this with every airbrush, every color, and you don't need extra tips for this, or extra caps, the front caps to do this. You can do this with every airbrush. So the goal is to get like a darker gray. And now I'm putting a little bit of the light brown over it. I mix it myself. It's like 90% yellow and 10% purple. And I use it also for the skin tones. And now you have all the details of the brick wall. But now I'm doing two more layers, which are a gray and a highlight white. So now you have like the shadows of the flying bricks, and also some shadows in the bricks in the wall. And sure, you can like make a red brick wall, so you can use any color. And the same with the drops and spots that I've done with white, I'm doing now with the black airbrush, just to get a little bit of texture in the bricks. And if you want to do some extra, you can like add some cracks or some parts that are different to this stencil in freehand. And I'm doing a little bit of more dark on the flying bricks so that you can see the shadows better. And now comes the white. Same here, same again. Every brick, every flying brick has its own light source. And I can do the highlights. And so you can finish this background in 3 to 4 minutes. Now you can put everything you want into the middle part. This is video number 1. I have a second video where I will put a demon face into the center of this. So watch out for the second video. But here I'm just doing a white. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel and see you soon. Bye.